Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fried rice at home. These are all the ingredients I'm using for my fried rice. Minced garlic, salted fish, 1 chicken thigh fillet which I have marinated with 1 teaspoon light soy, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a dash of white pepper, and a dash of salt. 2 eggs with a little bit of salt and white pepper, leftover rice about 1 bowl, and I have a bowl of frozen vegetables, lettuce leaves, chili, and spring onions. That's all I need for making my fried rice. First, I'm going to heat up my wok, adding some cooking oil, garlic first. Now the next thing I want to do is to add the chicken. Spread the chicken around the wok. Pushing the chicken to the side, and I'm going to put in the eggs next. Break it up. Next, I'm going to add is the rice. The frozen vegetables. I like my fried rice to be darker in color, so I'm going to add some dark soy sauce. Now, because I'm going to use salted fish, I'm not adding any light soy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my salted fish. I'm going to add the chili and the spring onions and the lettuce leaves. Okay, that's cooked. So I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to plate the rice. Very simple, quick and easy chicken fried rice with salted fish. I hope you enjoy watching the video today. Subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I'm Victor Khoo. See you next week.